If your Alight Motion app is crashing after updates, then you need to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Alight Motion keeps crashing after updates. So let's say you are using the Alight Motion and you want to export the video you've actually worked on, and you are seeing an error message. In order for you to actually fix that, this is simply what you need to do. First, you need to go to your Play Store or App Store like this, search for Alight Motion, and make sure you are using the latest version of the app. Sometimes when there is an update on the app, you might start seeing the error message on yours. So you just need to make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. The next step you can actually take to fix this issue as well is to go to your phone settings like this. So right here on your phone settings, you need to scroll and click on this place where you can see apps. So when you click on apps like this, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and search for Alight Motion. So when you search for Alight Motion like this, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on storage. When you do that, at the bottom here, you need to go ahead and click on clear cache and also click on clear data. So once you click on clear cache and clear data, it is actually going to help to refresh the app in case it is a bug issue. So if it is a bug issue, this is actually going to help to fix that error message you are seeing on yours. So once this is done, you can simply go back to the Alight Motion app and you'd be able to start using the app once more. So this is how simple it is to fix the Alight Motion keep crashing after updates. This is simply how you can fix that. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.